Manthey just made the Porsche 911 GT3 even faster without touching the engine. Thanks to a slew of upgrades that greatly improve downforce, the Manthey-tuned GT3 is now much faster around the Nürburgring. Manthey's latest GT3 kit slashes Nürburgring time by 2.76 seconds. Aerodynamic upgrades boost downforce to as much as 1,190 pounds. Available spring 2026 through certified Porsche Centers in the US. The current Porsche 911 GT3 RS stands among the most single-minded, track-focused machines ever allowed on public roads. Yet for anyone who prefers their performance served with a touch more understatement, the standard GT3 remains the sweet spot. Now, that balance of civility and speed has shifted even further toward the thrilling end of the spectrum, thanks to a fresh collaboration with Manthey Racing. Porsche's own engineers worked directly with Manthey's specialists to develop the new upgrade kit, designed to heighten downforce and trim lap times. The result is measurable gains in both grip and stability, and they've accomplished that in emphatic fashion. In its mildest configuration, the revised GT3 produces 782 pounds, 355 kilograms, of downforce. Switch everything to its most aggressive setting and that number rises to 1,190 pounds, 540 kilograms, a figure that edges close to full race car territory. Among the most obvious changes made is a revised front bumper with new air vents and carbon fiber canards, as well as a new splitter. Complementing the changes made to the front are new aerodynamic side skirts, aero discs on the rear wheels, and an overhauled rear fascia with a large carbon fiber swan neck wing. Manthey has also added a distinctive carbon fiber diffuser for good measure. There are also changes under the skin that you can't see. For example, the turning vanes running under the car are now 39 inches longer than the standard model, also contributing to improved downforce. Bespoke four-way adjustable coilovers have also been developed for the car, sporting 10% stiffer spring rates than Manthey's previous upgrade kit for the GT3. Lightweight forged wheels, measuring 20 inches at the front and 21 at the rear, complete the chassis package. Interestingly, none of these updates touch the GT3's 4.0-liter flat-six engine. Even so, the Manthey-equipped version laps the Nürburgring 2.76 seconds quicker than the older 992.1 GT3 running the previous kit, setting a 6 minutes and 52.981 seconds time. That's a pretty impressive result, any way you cut it. Porsche has not yet said how much the new Manthey kit will cost. However, it has confirmed that it will be available from spring 2026 in certified Porsche Centers across the US.